Everyone is talking about nutrition. Who's measuring it? The S3 Biophotonic Scanner is the best tool for the eye care professional to add wellness and prevention into their practice. This 30-second non-invasive test helps patients understand the importance of nutrition for their ocular and systemic health. Eye care professionals are at the forefront of technology, and the S3 fits in perfectly with its speed and small footprint.
Hi there, my name is Dr. Jake Olding. I am an optometrist just outside of Columbus, Ohio. I've implemented this scanner technology, and it's been almost 2 years since we added it in here, and it's been an extremely easy thing to implement. It takes about 30 seconds to scan a patient, so it has not disrupted schedules or flow at all. My staff has been on board. We all believe in the technology, and the thing that's most fascinating to me is that patients come in and sometimes they think they eat well and are somewhat surprised by their score. So it's nice to have a concrete way to measure their nutritional levels and be able to offer ways to help them. So I highly recommend this technology to anybody who's interested in wellness and looking for ways to improve cash revenue. Thanks.